Hello, this is Norddine. Welcome to Moroccan Arabic Academy. In this video series, you are going to learn a lot of common daily expressions in Moroccan Arabic. So thanks so much for your engagement and support. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss anything. Let's go to lesson 17, 27 must learn Moroccan Arabic expressions, part 5. So let's go to the lesson plan. By the end of this lesson, you are going to learn in the expression section, you are going to learn what is he, what is she, what are they doing, questions and answers. In the vocabulary section, you are going to learn some random common vocabulary, verbs plus nouns. In the grammar section, as usual, you are going to learn personal pronouns, the object form, singular and plural of nouns, adjectives, and verbs, and the present progressive in the affirmative form. So let's go to expression number 1. Number 1, he is looking for a job. He is looking for a job. كيدور على خدمة. كيدور على خدمة. He is looking. كيدور for على a job الخدمة. So a job is خدمة. كيدور على خدمة. Number 2, she is writing a letter. كتكتب برية. She is writing كتكتب برية is letter. كتكتب برية. Number 3, they are welcoming the guests. كيستقبلوا ضياف. They are receiving guests. ضياف. So ضياف, the guests. Okay, ضيف is a guest. Plural, ضياف. They are welcoming the guests. كيستقبلوا ضياف. Number 4, he is introducing himself to us. كيقدم راسو لينا. He is introducing كيقدم himself راسو to us لينا. Okay, to you ليكم, to me ليا. All right. Number 5, she is sleeping. ناسا. Okay, he is sleeping. Nas. Okay, without the a suffix. So she is sleeping. Nasa. Okay, he is sleeping. Nas. Okay, and they are sleeping. Nasin. Okay. Number 6, they are asking the neighbors. كيسقسيو. They are asking كيسقسيو or كيسولو. كيسقسيو جيران, the neighbors. كيسقسيو جيران. Okay. Number 7, he is opening the door. He is opening كيحل. The door is الباب. كيحل الباب. Number 8, she is closing the window. كتسد الشرجم. So she is closing كتسد الشرجم, the window. She is closing the window. كتشد الشرجم. شراجم. Okay, plural. The windows شراجم is singular. Okay. Number 9, they are imagining things. كيتخيلوا شي حوايج. So they are imagining كيتخيلوا شي حوايج, things. Okay. كيتخيلوا شي حوايج. Okay. كيتخيلوا شي حوايج. Next. Number 1, he is thinking of moving out. كيفكر يرحل. So he is thinking of كيفكر moving out يرحل. Okay. She is thinking of moving out. كتفكر ترحل, not يرحل but ترحل. كتفكر ترحل. Okay. They are thinking of moving out. كيفكروا يرحلوا. كيفكروا يرحلوا. Okay. Number 2, she is acting out the play. كتمثل المسرحية. She is acting out كتمثل the play مسرحية. Number 3, they are sharing the profits. So they are sharing كيتقاسموا the profits, الأرباح كيتقاسموا الأرباح. Number 4, he is repeating the film. كيعاود الفيلم. He is repeating كيعاود. She is repeating كتعاود. كتعاود. They are repeating كيعاودوا. We are repeating كنعاودوا. الفيلم the film the same thing كيعاود الفيلم. Number 5 she's kissing the kids. كتبوس الدراري. She's kissing كتبوس الدراري the kids. He is kissing the kids. كيبوس الدراري. They are kissing the kids. كيبوسوا الدراري. So she is kissing the kids. كتبوس الدراري. Number 6 they are hugging his wife. They are hugging كيعنقوا his wife مراته or المرأة ديالو. Okay, so the u suffix here stands for okay ديالهم. Okay, so مراته or ديالو مراته المرأة ديالو. Okay, so كيعنقوا مراته وكيعنقوا المرأة ديالو. Number 7 he is shaking hands with me. He's shaking hands كيسلم عليا بيديه with his hands بإيديه or بيديه or كيصافحني كيسلم عليا بيديه or كيصافحني. Number 8 she's turning on the lights. She's turning on كتشعل the lights ضواو. Okay, the lights ضو plural is ضواو. كتشعل ضواو. They are turning off the lights. كيطفيو ضواو. Okay, so كيطفيو they are turning off. So they are turning on كيشعل. She's turning on كتشعل. They are turning off كيطفيو. Okay, كيطفيو ضواو. Next, number 1 he is drawing a portrait. كيرسم. He is drawing كيرسم. Okay, a portrait the same thing portrait. كيرسم portrait. Number 2 she is finishing the dish. She is finishing كتسالي. Okay, the dish تبصيل. The dish is تبصيل. Alright, إذن she is finishing the dish كتسالي تبصيل. Number 3 they are organizing a party. They are organizing كينظموا. So organizing كينظموا. A party is حفلة. كينظموا حفلة. Number 4 he is greeting people. كيحيي الناس. So people الناس. Okay, كيحيي الناس. Greeting كيحيي الناس. Okay, she is greeting كتحيي الناس. They are greeting كيحييو الناس. Alright, number 5 she is changing the place. كتبدل بلاصة. She is changing is كتبدل. The place is البلاصة. Okay, كتبدل بلاصة. Number 6 they are filling in the questionnaire. They are filling in كيعمروا. The questionnaire الاستمارة. So questionnaire is الاستمارة. كيعمروا الاستمارة. Number 7 he is living in a flat. So he is living كيسكن. In a flat في عمارة. So in the preposition in we have ف as a preposition. Okay, in darija. So كيسكن في عمارة. Okay, he is living in a flat. Number 8 she is praying. كتصلي. So praying كتصلي. I am praying كنصلي. Okay, they are playing كيصليو. We are praying كنصليو. Alright. Number 9 they are inviting some guests. They are inviting كيعرضوا. Some guests شي ضياف. So they are inviting كيعرضوا على. Okay, كيعرضوا على. Okay, so على is a preposition. Okay, used with عنده. Okay, كيعرضوا. Sorry. إذن كيعرضوا على شي ضياف. They are inviting كيعرضوا على some guests شي ضياف كيعرضوا على شي ضياف. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully finished lesson number 17. Of course, the first steps are always difficult in learning any new language, but keep watching, things will get easier and easier. If you are happy with the video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. So stay tuned for the coming lessons, and goodbye.